with our trip, there's always decisions to make, and one of those is often how far we should go out of the way to see certain things or not.
We just drove 2 hours out of the way to see Cape Hatteras, the tallest lighthouse in the US. Or at least that's what we've been told.
Right, Kitty Hawk, and there go the Wright brothers. He's flying! This is flight number 1. End of first flight, time 12 seconds. Distance 120 feet.
About to leave, already packing.
The capital of North Carolina. Now we're at Duke. This is our 3rd university. In the last hour, we went to NC State, UNC, and Duke.
We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
That building right there is what the Empire State Building was modeled after. This is the Krispy Kreme headquarters. This is the flagship store for Krispy Kreme in Winston-Salem, North Carolina, and yep, we are definitely stopping here.
I got the classic with cream in it. Really good.
Now the heat went up, so it's hot and ready.
When they don't have hot and ready on, you make it yourself.
About to see the world in action.
We're at the Billy Graham Library. We are driving this thing through the gates of the Biltmore. Woo-hoo! It's a little skinny.
That's the Biltmore, because they built a little more.
What we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
Yes, hi, my name is Emily. Thanks so much for your help. I was calling because my husband and I have a diesel RV with a Cummins engine. Well, we are here in Blowing Rock, North Carolina, kind of in the middle of nowhere, and we're in the mountains, and we're driving up some pretty mountainous roads, but we've been on much bigger ones before, and we had this kind of screechy sound and warning light that came on our engine that says low water, and we don't know what that means. Never seen that before. We called Cummins and we called Freightliner, and thankfully they both have really good customer service, and they said that they think it's the coolant, which hopefully that's the case, because thankfully that's hopefully not that big of a deal. Some really nice police officers stopped to help us, and now we're getting a little police escort up the hill. Police in front, police in back. And hopefully we'll get to level ground and make sure we're okay. I was trying to check something with the water and the fuel, and we got our police friends back there still, so we are grateful for the kind people here in North Carolina. We are back on the road. We have not fixed the problem. Well, this is the sound it's making, and we
Have a bunch of hills, the police officers said.
We stopped at a little rest station. They were really nice.
We bought drinks from them because
it's kind of cool throwback Mountain Dew thing. We're currently on the hunt for some ethylene glycol based heavy duty non-extended life pre-charged with or without SEAs, we don't know, coolant. And there's 3 auto shops around here. We went to one, they were awesome, super helpful. They actually called another one because they didn't have what we need. That one doesn't have it, so now we're on to our 3rd. They were really nice and fun, but they close in 5 minutes, or hopefully we can get there. Stuck in traffic. And hopefully that'll be what we need. If not, we're not really sure what to do.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out.
going up Crevice Pass to Chimney Rock. Emmy's already started. I gotta catch up. We got all these steps, and our end goal is up to that. Quite the view, looking out over North Carolina, but still gotta get up to there. Emmy's chosen to keep her hands warm. I've chosen to go with the swinging motion. And we're almost to the top.
Reporting live here from Chimney Rock. It is slightly windy. We are at the top of this really pretty view. The problem is my hair is flowing so much I can't even see it.
So we're at the top, but it looks like I got a couple more steps to get a view of M on Chimney Rock.
Be free with me.
This is Slide Rock.
Really cool.
It's in North Carolina. I think I'm gonna do
But
it.
you didn't even feel the water.
I didn't feel the water.
But
M
it's
felt
so
the water.
cold.
But I'm only gonna be here once, and I'll probably wish I did it later. So back to change.
All right, I'll do it too.
You're gonna do it too? She's gonna do it too.
The only reason I'm doing it is to make you smile. I just need one big smile.
What about to make you smile?
No, I'm gonna be freezing.
So we decided once in a lifetime story, we're braving the cold and we're getting in the water.
Today is March 22nd. It just snowed yesterday, and today we're going swimming.
All right, we are going.
Here we go!
Now or never. We have the heat turned on already in the RV and we're ready to jump back in pretty quick.
Just pretend it's summer and not be cold. Got my water shoes on and I'm ready to go.
Be free with me. Yeah, let's go. Be free with me. Oh, come on and let's go. Let's be free with me. Yeah, be free. Be free, be free with me.
Next flight, go! This one was also 12 seconds. Go! St. Patty's Day in Raleigh. We got some interesting characters for sure. How you doing?
I grew up in Raleigh.
Having RV issues is never fun, especially, well, there's never really a good time for issues, but just like the worry of like what could happen to the RV.
Could be like transmission or I don't know what, low water.
But we're really grateful to be in a safe spot and hoping that this won't be that big of an issue.
So in the past 15 minutes, our RV started down on this road. We winded our way back and forth up to there, and then we took a million steps to there, and now I'm up here taking a picture. Probably can't hear a word that I'm saying, but what do you think that Chimney Rock would be at the Smoky Mountains?
We came south to escape the snow. We still got it. We're on a food tour in Asheville and it is coming down. This is Wilmington, North Carolina, and this is where Michael Jordan grew up and played basketball in high school. That's the river court in One Tree Hill, the One Tree Hill Bridge, Tree Hill High. Waterfall, pretty. And this is where Hunger Games was filmed.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing.